Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are just seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Okay, in case you're just seeing this face for the first time, please, I urge you, subscribe to our channel. Just click on the subscribe button and join this family. Okay, here we make a lot of spiritual sense. Okay, here we seek for simple solution to life, things that gives us that simple solution to life without necessarily going diabolical. Yes, here in this place, your problem is my problem and my problem is your problem. Yes, we are one big family, so please don't hesitate to join us. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes, so guys, today we want to talk about lying. Lying. See, there are a lot of things that you can do spiritually with lying. See, there's a video we uploaded, we're talking about just a line. Okay, what you can do with lying. But this hour, I am bringing something to our notice. Yes, about this line. There are a lot of things that the enemy can amputate in your life or deactivate in your life. You understand? But when you know this secret I want to share with you today, you activate everything. And everything will be fine. Yes, that reminds me. How do I look? Let me see my hair. I'm upgrading. Yes, now. Let me do my eye for you. Okay, guys, now, joke apart, okay? Sorry, if you're new here, I'm sorry. This is how I play, but I still make sense, okay? Please, don't be pissed with me, okay? So now, a sister sent me her testimony of the lime, a recipe we uploaded some times back, and even a brother also, lime and salt. Yes, and there was a tremendous, change in their life. In fact, one was having some kind of affliction, because when we uploaded that video, we were talking about if you are under affliction, if you are under spiritual affliction, there's an arrow or something that you don't understand, you can use lime and salt. Yes, and before you know it, the problem will be over. So the brother saw my video for the first time. In fact, that was the first video he saw, and he used it. And he said he has been calling me for like 3 weeks because he wanted to share his testimony with me. You understand? But he was able to get me and share his testimony with me. I'm so happy. And his sister also, the same thing. So guys, today, I'm coming to tell us something about lying. If you sleep, if you are somebody that is fond of people are collecting stuff from you in the dream. Yes, like when you sleep, you see somebody. Sorry, let me put the mic. Maybe it will make a change. Yes, make a difference. Yeah. So if you are always dreaming and people are coming to collect something from you in the dream, or you're losing stuff in the dream, like your phone will go missing, your bag will go missing, something will just keep missing in your life inside your dream, it is a sign that the enemy is taking something from you. So now, one of the shortcut remedy to restore back, to collect back what the enemy has taken from you is by using lime. I didn't say lemon. Lemon is different. This is lime. Okay? I think I have some. This is another one. This is lime. This one too is another one. This is lime too. It's lime. So you can use lime, okay? How do you use this lime? To restore what you have lost or what the enemy has taken away from you. Number one, when you wake up from such dream, and at times you may not even dream. Yes, because somebody will be seeing this video now and say, what about me? I don't used to dream, but situations are, things are tight or whatever. See, even if you are not dreaming and seeing them collecting something from you, but at times the enemy can be so wicked. When you dream, you will not see, you will not even remember. They will not even allow you to remember or to even see it. So talk more of taking precautions. So once in a while, as a spiritually awakened person, as a spiritually smart person, what you need to do is just get lime like this. Slice this lime. You can slice this lime into 3. You can slice it into 5. You can slice it into 7. You understand? So when you slice it like this, then you put it inside water. For example, if the dream is about you losing something, maybe you are losing something, they are taking something from you, or they are collecting something from you. So you will use it to wash your hand. Yes, use this lime to wash your hand. As you're washing your hand, be praying and be asking for restoration of what that thing that they have taken away from you. Yes, this thing is real. This thing works 100%. Yes, so guys, just try it and see how it goes, okay? And then, if you are the type that maybe generally, you have done salt bath, you have done some other things, that yet you are yet to see the kind of results that you desire, or the things are just tight, just like that for you. Okay? You have not done any prayers before, you have not done anything spiritually before. You can try this. Try lime. Yes, it works. See, what you need to do, that same procedure, instead of you using it to wash your hand, in this kind of situation now, you are going to add it to your water, but you have to keep the lime overnight. See, as it is like this, there is a way you will cut it. You don't cut it severally. So the knife that you are going to use to cut this lime should be very sharp, okay? Just at once, sharp. If you try to, you can get up to 3 lime at a time. You understand? Because you might try to maintain the precision of cutting. It may not be precise, you may not be able to cut it like that. So if you have a very good knife and you're sure of yourself, you don't need to carry plenty lime. All you need to do is just get one like this. Then get your knife. You just slice it. 1, 2, then 3. Or you can slice it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cut it into 5. Slice it into 5. Once you have that, you put it inside a container, okay, like a jug or something, add water to it, then close it, keep it. Once it is morning, at least before the sun rises, before the sunrise. So if you're not sure of being awake when that before the sunrise, maybe you may sleep. You can, once it is 12 a.m., once it is 12 midnight, 1, 2, 3, all those ones are part of the morning. You understand? So you can just decide to just go to the bathroom, add that water to your other water. You understand, for bathing, and then pray over it. Oh God, I need to be restored. Let my life, everything that has been locked against me, let there be an open door for me. Let there be restoration. Just pray over it and then use it to beat. Okay? You can repeat this kind of beat once in a week until you see results. Okay? And if you don't have time to do it once in a week, you can do it once in a month. You understand? This is very, very effective. Okay, so guys, see you again in our next video. Okay, please remember to subscribe to my channel, okay, and give me thumbs up. I'm your sister. Thank you. Love you. Bye.